still can't get him out, bitch.
Do it, man, wait no. I'ma start this off by saying, boy on your ass, doing that Instagram thugging for them hoes in your fans. You don't type how you act, you gon' get your ass blam. Round here rapping like you stepping, you ain't even in your bag. You ain't even got a body, I'ma see you with your mans. Last nigga tried to play, I left his ass where he stand. Should've killed his fucking dog, but his pussy ass ran. You don't get no respect, cause your goofy ass ran. Ayy, my driver swung the dope, I hop out and up the scope. Hit his ass a couple times, it ain't empty, bang some more. Put these hollows in his throat, how many hit I say by 4. It's your cases on the scene, I'm masked up, they ain't gon' know. Counting old money, new money, I got blue honey. Stomp a nigga ass out, boy this Glock like 200.
Oh, great heavens!
I know he won't shoot nothing, you know that nigga killed your dog, and you still ain't do nothing. Up the stick, it's a whole honey, he a whole diamond. From the white, the nigga knows, I think this nigga knows running. Freaky bitch, she gon' eat the dick, she got a nigga coming. Sorry baby, I be home later, I been road running. Hey, why this nigga faking, acting like I owe him son? It's okay, go grab the K, I'm finna show this nigga son. Nigga, huh? I'm like, nigga, what? You gon' step on who? Catch you lacking, bitches cracking, swear to God, you better shoot. Nigga, we can get up since you wanna get tough. 2, 2, 3 hit is a test and make them pick this shit up. Just like Jada, put my house, she want me to get rough. Smoke a pound, dick her down, she know I got that good stuff. You know I saw his ass walking, so I hopped out the truck. He tried to run, I hit his lungs, 2, 2, 3, tripped him up. Hit his head like 6 times, but I guess it's his luck. And then the niggas know I did it, I just don't give 2 fucks. I'm wild ass deep fuck, ayy, bitch you shoot at ducks, cause they hoes take your pose, then come light your street up. Shovel double low, tell me white so they stuff. You a clown, you won't clown, haha, you don't get enough. I'm in the back with a mat with a jock in the cut. I can't get your little boy real, I can fool fuck him up. That's your hoe, she for the team, I watch leak stuff her guts. She right here loving on that thought, and that thought getting fucked. Been hanging off the drugs, he on all type of stuff. I got 2 drivers, if not say, baby J in the cut. They gon' get me out the gym, bitch, I done seen enough. So I'ma spin on your shit until I feel like it's enough. You a rat and you tellin', but I don't give a fuck, cause all rats got a